In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a course for a member in Skool. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a course available to the right people, whether it's a single member or everyone on a certain membership tier. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Skool. Look for the official result and click it. If you see multiple results, choose the one that leads directly to the Skool homepage or your community's sign-in page. This helps you avoid landing on an outdated or promotional page. Once you're on Skool, log into your account. Make sure you're using an account with the proper permissions to edit courses, such as an owner, admin, or moderator role. If you manage multiple communities, double-check that you're in the correct one before moving on, so you don't change the wrong course. After you're signed in, go to the classroom area. You'll usually find it in the main navigation. This is where all of your courses live, organized as folders or tiles. Find the course you want to unlock. On that course card or folder, click Edit Course. Depending on your layout, it might appear as an edit button or inside a menu icon on the course card. Either way, you're opening the course settings. In the course settings, look for the visibility or access controls. Here's where you choose who can see the course. Ensure the access is set to members on a tier or specific members. Use specific members if you want to unlock the course for one or a few people only. Use members on a tier if you want everyone at a certain membership level to have access automatically. If you're using tiers, toggle on the option labeled or members on above, and then choose the appropriate tier from the list. On above means anyone at that tier or any higher tier will be granted access. Pick the tier that matches your offer so you don't unintentionally give access to the wrong group. If you're only granting access to one person, leave the tier option alone and add that individual to the specific members list instead. When you're done, scroll to the bottom and click Save or Update. Give it a moment to process. You should see your settings applied, and members who meet the criteria will now see the course unlocked in their classroom. If something doesn't look right, return to Edit and confirm the tier or member selections, then save again. That's it. Your course is now unlocked for exactly who you intended.